If you are facing Bluetooth audio delay issues on Android, here is how to fix it. First, disconnect and reconnect your Bluetooth device by going to Settings, then Bluetooth, selecting your device and tapping Forget Device. Then reconnect it to see if the delay is fixed. Next, try restarting your phone and the Bluetooth device. A simple restart can refresh the connection and eliminate lags. If the issue persists, go to Settings, search for Developer Options and tap on it. Scroll down to Bluetooth audio codec. As there are lots of options, it is taking some time to find it. After you get it, tap on it. Then switch to SBC or aptX for better performance. If you have not the developer options, let me know in comment box, then I'll make another video on this. You can also try clearing Bluetooth cache by going to Settings, then Apps, App Management, then tap on three dots in the upper right corner. Tap on Show System Apps, then scroll down and find Bluetooth. Tap on it, tap on Storage, then Clear Cache. Make sure your Bluetooth device firmware is updated, as outdated versions can cause lag. Also check if the issue happens in all apps or only specific ones. If you are using wireless earbuds, keep them close to your phone to avoid signal interference and turn off unnecessary background apps that might be causing a delay. That's it. Now you know how to fix Bluetooth audio delay issues on Android. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Android fixes.